Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. It's time to learn how to download and install iOS 16 Developer Beta on iPhone and iPad without developer account. Apple has just rolled out the developer betas of iOS 16 and iPadOS 16. That means if you have a developer account, you'll be able to download and install the beta for testing. But what if you do not have an Apple developer account? Can you still download and install iOS 16 or iPadOS 16 developer beta? Yes. There is a pretty neat hack that can let you download and install both iOS 16 and iPadOS 16 developer beta on your device even if you do not have an Apple developer account. Let me show you how it works the right way. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First off, open Safari on your iPhone or iPad and then go to betaprofiles.com. Now, if you want to download and install the developer beta of iOS 16, go to iOS 16 tab. And if you want to download and install iPadOS 16 developer beta, find out iPadOS tab and then hit Install Profile located right next to it. It's worth pointing out that Beta Profiles website also allow you to download and install watchOS 9 and macOS 13 Ventura without developer beta. So if you are willing to try out macOS Ventura on your Mac even if you do not have a developer account, or wish to try out watchOS 9 on your Apple Watch even if you do not have an Apple developer account, you should give it a try. Once you have downloaded the developer beta, open the Settings app on your device and then hit Profile Downloaded. After that, hit Install and then go ahead to download and install the beta profile. Once you have successfully downloaded and installed the beta profile, open the Settings app and then tap General. After that, tap on Software Update and then download and install the developer beta of iOS 16 or iPadOS 16, just like any other software update. That's all there is to it. So that's how you can download and install iOS 16 or iPadOS 16 developer beta even if you do not have an Apple developer account. If you have found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone and iPad hacks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.